Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix enable network connection in CapCut problem. So it's really simple and easy. First of all, long press on this CapCut application and go to the app info option. Here, go to this storage and cache and then simply tap on this clear cache. Now tap on this clear storage as well, tap on this delete. Now go back and tap on this permissions and here just allow all the permissions. As you can see, there are all the permissions. So just simply allow them all one by one, and after that go back and make sure to update your CapCut application. Go to the Play Store or App Store depending on your device and then simply search for this CapCut, and if there is any update just make sure to update it like I am doing here. So after updating, just open the CapCut application. Here tap on this new project and select a video to edit, and here you will see your CapCut application work properly. The problem will be solved. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.